Welcome to this complete and totally free training dedicated to the installation of N8N locally on a home server or a VPS with a set of powerful tools to automate, enrich and manage your data in a totally autonomous way. If you are looking to build a smart, high-performance, privacy-friendly system that is independent of cloud platforms, this series is for you. In this playlist, we will learn how to install, configure and interconnect several modern technologies, all open source and self-hosted. N8N, a powerful visual automation tool that is fully customizable. Ollama to execute language models like LLaMA, DeepSeek or N8N locally, without the need for external APIs. Qdrant, a vector database for storing and querying textual data intelligently. Whisper, the speech-to-text transcription model for automatically converting speech to text locally. PostgreSQL, a robust database to store the history of your workflows and all the data in your system. It all works together seamlessly, locally and GDPR compliant. With no data transfer to third-party services, you retain full control over your data and processes. This course is designed to be clear, structured and accessible, whether you are a maker developer or just curious about automation and artificial intelligence. We go step by step with concrete explanations and examples of real-world uses. It is today one of the most complete and up-to-date training on local NVI and Melia available for free on YouTube. You will learn how to build a powerful, scalable and privacy-friendly system. Subscribe to the channel, activate the bell and start with me this adventure from the first episode.